Hey you guys, look at my collard greens from Home Depot. I just did a video earlier this morning and this is the evening shot. Just look at them. They are doing so well under here, under this AeroGarden. I'm telling you guys, oh my goodness, look at them, collard greens. Oh, they're so yummy-licious looking. Wow. And these are the Graham tea collard greens here. See those? Then we got the Brussels sprouts. Look at them. Look at those. Aww. And look at the cucumbers, you guys. They're starting to pop out too. See the cucumbers over there? Wow. Yeah, they're starting to do their thing too, you guys. See some sprouts up there in the top back up there. Wow, you guys stay tuned. Under the AeroGarden.